Package came in the mail. I'm excited. Let's see what it is. Texas pepper jelly. Oh yeah. That rib candy and that bird bath. This is a flavor right here, all in your mouth. That rib candy apple, bird bath, peach mango. This is great stuff to put on your food. It's great stuff. It's gonna taste great. It's also gonna make your ribs and your poultry look fantastic. I love using this product right here. Texas pepper jelly, based out here in Texas. I ordered these online from their website. It took about 3 days to get here from Lubbock, but they are selling them at HEB. So if you're in Texas, and check out your HEB to see if they have them. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. I love it. I love using these, and I think I like using them more than just regular barbecue sauce or whatever type of barbecue sauce. I love tangy barbecue sauce, but this right here, this is legit right here. This is the good stuff. So you get that chance to go out, get you some. You won't be disappointed. You know, I put my word on that. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. And just by even looking at it, looks beautiful. Look at that. Man. Yeah, so this is great right here. I'm happy. Great package to get, on mail day. Yeah, so like I said, get the chance, get you some.